नमस्कार मित्रों, वेलकम्स टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल शर्मा अकेडमी। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम आपके लिए दोबारा लाए हैं इंडियन आर्मी जीडी और क्लर्क्स के क्वेश्चन। व्हेन आइस melts its density, answer increase. Which of the following is highest elastic? Answer quartz. The instrument used to measure earthquake is answer seismograph. The principle of buoyancy was given by answer Archimedes. The buoyancy depends on answer mass of liquids displaced by the body. But liquid is used in aeronite barometer, no liquid is used. Next question is, which one of the following substance does not have a melting point? Answer sodium chloride. When a piece of ice floating on surface of water in a beaker melts completely, the level of water answer remains the same. Which of the following relation is not correct? Answer H is equal to WJ. Next question is, if a fan of closed room is working, then temperature of the room will increase. The decrease in summer but increase in winter. Sorry. Next question is, which one of the following converts heat energy into mechanical energy? Answer heat engine. Contain mountain will melt earlier. Answer from bottom. The best thermal conductor out of the silver is out of the following answer silver. A brass tumbler feels much older than a wooden tray on a child day due to answer conduction. Water always boils when answer saturated vapor pressure is equal to external pressure on its surface. The pressure at higher altitudes, the water boils at a lower temperature because answer the pressure of the atmosphere decreases with altitude. Next question is, the higher temperature reached inside a pressure cooker will depends on answer the weight placed upon the vent area of the vent. Next question is, a device for measuring temperature at a distance is answer radiation parameter. Next question is, rate of cooling depends on the answer all of the above. Absolute zero is minus 273 degrees Celsius. The relations between initial velocity u, final velocity v and acceleration v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Next question is, the Newton's second law of motion that force is rate of change of momentum. Next question is, centripetal force acting on the body of mass moving in a circular radius with constant speed is expressed is as answer F is equal to mv square upon r. Cream gets separated out of milk when it is churned because of centrifugal force. Next question is, a body is moving with uniform velocity, its acceleration will be answer 0. Working of rocket is based on the principle of conservation of momentum. Second law of motion supplies the definition of answer force. In vacuum, all freely falling bodies having the same answer speed. Which of the following is not a fast type of lever? Answer wheelbarrow. Yeah. Next question is, which of the following is not a second order lever? Answer pairs. Which of the following is not a third kind of lever? Answer lemon squeezer. Next question is, which one of the following device does not form come under category of levers? Answer staircase. Next question is, the formula of potential energy. Answer mgh. What is the formula to find kinetic energy? Answer half mv square. Which one of the following is a vector quantity? Answer acceleration. Which type of energy is associated with flowing water? Answer kinetic. Which one of the following utilize Newton's third law of motion? Answer archery. Next question is a stationary body can have. Answer energy. Following is not a vector. Answer kinetic energy. When a stone is whirled about at the end of energy and is rotated, what is the pull of the steering called? Answer centrifugal force. In which of the following place G is maximum? Answer at poles. A moving body may not have which of the following? Answer potential energy. Which of the following utilize Newton's third law of motion? Answer space rocket. What is called change in position in a particular direction an object? Answer velocity. Momentum is a product of mass and velocity. The rate of change of velocity is acceleration. Next question is a source has a frequency of 10 raised to power 3 hertz. The time period will be answered 10 raised to power minus 3 second. Telescope was invented by answer Galileo. To which wire is the fuse connected in a 3-pin plug? Answer live wire. Next question is dynamo converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. What will be the weight of body on earth whose mass is 10 kg? 98 Newton. The property of a body by the virtue of which tends to remain in one or rest or motion is called inertia. Who is the inventor of dynamo? Answer Michael Faraday. Who said a body will remain at rest unless an external force acts on the body? Answer Newton. When the spring of a watch is wound, it will possess which type of ring? Answer potential energy. Who invented the radio? Answer Marconi. When a body is thrown upward through the surface of the earth, then it is the highest point. Velocity is zero. If the angle between the displacement and applied force is theta 0, then the work done will be given by W is equal to F N to X cos theta. Electric motor convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. A bicycle has spokes because they increase the moment of inertia and so the bicycle smoother. Next question is weight of a body falling freely is answer 0. The rate of doing work is known as answer पावर. What is the moment measure of inertia? आंसर मास. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थे हमारे आज के क्वेश्चन आपके लिए इंडियन आर्मी जीडी और क्लर्क्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है मित्रों. वीडियो को पूरा देखें, आपके काम आएंगे. हो सकता है 1-2 क्वेश्चन इधर से इंडियन आर्मी एग्ज़ाम में आ जाए और लगभग हर वर्ष जो पूछा जाता है वो इधर से ही पेपर आता है आपका. तो फ्रेंड्स वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर कमेंट करके बताएं कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और चैनल को साझा करना ना भूलें. और मित्रों हम आपको नेक्स्ट इसी प्रकार से नोटिफिकेशन लाते रहेंगे. तो हमारे चैनल को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद.